Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable the header and footer for your text documents on LibreOffice Writer. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your text document, and what you will need to do, guys, is click into Insert here at the top, hover mouse over header and footer, and start with the header first. Click into this button here to the right, and that is going to enable the header. As you can see, if I click into it, I'm going to make the header visible, and you can customize its text here, like for example, I don't know, header 1 or page. And you can do the same with the footer. Click into your text document, navigate to Insert, hover mouse over header and footer, select footer and default page style. And you will see the footer here at the bottom, and you can do the same here. And that's how it works, guys. As you can see, both header and footer will be applied to all consecutive or following pages. So if I, for example, create page number 3, there still will be a header and a footer. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.